Doctor Strange is a powerful sorcerer, avenger, and most of all, revered hero of Earth. His valiant efforts were most recently seen in his battle against the Scarlet Witch in the film Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness. But under the lens of Cicero's Indignation, Doctor Strange can become the villain of his sequel film. Before we talk about Doctor Strange, let's talk about what exactly Indignation is. Indignation is outlined in Cicero's De Inventione as a tool of rhetoric that sparks hatred against someone. Emotions such as hatred can be very persuasive in arguments, and Cicero knew this. Indignation can be employed through a series of topics, some of which we'll see now in the case of Doctor Strange. In Doctor Strange and the Multiverse of Madness, the titular character fights against the Scarlet Witch as she tries to enter a multiverse where she can be with her lost children using the powers of a girl named America Chavez. Doctor Strange alleges that taking America's powers will kill her, and that entering another multiverse will have cosmic consequences. Under Topic 2, which discusses who is impacted by the unjust actions, we can say that Doctor Strange is unjustly affecting someone who is his superior. This is because the Scarlet Witch is the mightiest magic user in the universe, mightier than Doctor Strange, who doesn't even technically have the title of Sorcerer Supreme. The Multiverse of Madness movie even shows that the Scarlet Witch is meant to rule all of the multiverses, but Doctor Strange dares to challenge her. Topic 3 looks at what would happen if everyone acted in the same way as the person receiving hate. If everyone followed Doctor Strange's lead and tried to keep lonely, desperate, grieving mothers like the Scarlet Witch away from their children, those people would be seen as monsters. They would be told to leave the poor women alone and let them live in peace with their beloved children. Given this, Doctor Strange should be seen as a cruel, monstrous individual trying to unjustly keep a sorrowful mother from her children, not some kind of hero. Moving on to Topic 6, which shows a deed was done intentionally and purposely, we can easily see that Doctor Strange very intentionally and purposely set out to stop the Scarlet Witch from entering another multiverse to be with her children by hiding America Chavez and refusing to provide some other way of assistance to her. Even though Doctor Strange is not as powerful as the Scarlet Witch, he still holds incredible magic power and extensive mystic resources. So there must have been another way to get the Scarlet Witch into another multiverse where her children were in a way that he deemed safe. But he made no such effort. The 8th topic points out how the crime at hand isn't ordinary. It also emphasizes how such a crime is more deplorable when committed against parents, children, wives, kinsmen, and supplicants. Firstly, the crime of keeping a mother from entering another multiverse to be with her children is certainly unordinary. Secondly, the Scarlet Witch is a parent, and a grieving one at that. This makes Doctor Strange's actions even more worthy of hatred. With just these 4 topics of Indignation alone, we can make a strong case against Doctor Strange and why his so-called heroic actions in Multiverse of Madness actually make him a justified target of hatred.